Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Welkom by ons graad 1 Afrikaans spelles. Welcome to our grade 1 Afrikaans spelling lesson. Vandag gaan ons die A-klank leer en oefen. Today we are going to learn and practice the A sound. Ons gaan na elke woord kyk, dit saam sê en dit saam spel. We are going to look at each word, say it together, and learn to spell it. Sê die woorde hardop saam met my en geniet die les. Say the words out loud with me and enjoy the lesson. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's begin. Hierdie woord is pan. This word is pan, also known as pan in English. Sê die woord saam met my. Say the word with me. Pan. Kom ons spel die woord. Let's spell the word together. P-A-N. Pan. Again. P-A-N. Pan. Sê die woord nog een keer saam met my. Say the word one more time with me. Pan. Baie mooi maatjies, well done. Let's go on to the next one. Hierdie woord is mat. This word is mat, also known as mat in English. Sê saam met my, say the word with me. Mat. Kom ons spel die woord saam. Let's spell the word together. M-A-T. Mat. Again. M-A-T. Mat. Sê die woord nog een keer saam met my. Say the word one more time with me. Mat. Baie mooi maatjies, well done. Kom ons gaan na die volgende woord. Let's go to the next word. Hierdie woord is kat. This word is kat, which is known as cat in English. Sê saam met my, say it with me. Kat. Kom ons spel die woord saam. Let's spell the word together. K-A-T. Kat. Again. K-A-T. Kat. Kom ons sê die woord nog een keer. Let's say the word one more time together. Kat. Fantastiese werk, maatjies. Fantastic work, boys and girls. Let's look at our next word. Hierdie woord is sak. This word is sak, also known as bag in English. Sê dit saam met my. Say it with me. Sak. Kom ons spel die woord saam. S-A-K. Sak. Again. S-A-K. Sak. Sê die woord nog een keer saam met my. Say the word one more time with me. Sak. Baie mooi, wonderlike werk. Fantasties. Well done, boys and girls. Fantastic work. Hierdie woord is man. This word is man, also known as man in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Man. Kom ons spel die woord saam. Let's spell the word together. M-A-N. Man. Again. M-A-N. Man. Kom ons sê die woord nog een keer saam. Let's say the word one more time together. Man. Fantastiese werk, maatjies. Fantastic work, boys and girls. Let's go on to some sentences. Kom ons kyk na 'n paar verskillende sinne wat die woorde bevat. Let's have a look at a few different sentences that have some of these words in them. Die pan is warm. Again, die pan is warm. This means the pan is warm. Die kat is mooi. Again, die kat is mooi. This means the cat is beautiful. Sjoe maatjies, ons het nou na 'n paar verskillende woorde gekyk, hulle geleer spel en lees. Wow, boys and girls, we have now looked at a couple of different words. We have learned how to spell them and say them. Right, boys and girls? Listen carefully. We are going to quickly listen to the words again and say them together. Pan, man, mat, sak, kat. Listen again. Pan, man, mat, sak, kat. Right, boys and girls, I'm now going to say it even slower so that you can repeat after me. Pan, man, mat, sak, kat. Baie mooi maatjies, well done boys and girls. I'm very, very proud of each and every one of you. Thank you for working so hard. Tot volgende keer, until next time. Tot ziens maatjies. Goodbye boys and girls.